What do you want?
I want your bicycle.
What do you want?
I want your bicycle.
Very good. Which one do you want?
I want the pink one.
Which one do you want?
I want the pink one.
Very good. Who are they?
They are students.
Who are they?
They are students.
Very good. What are you waiting for?
I am waiting for the bus.
What are you waiting for?
I am waiting for the bus.
Very good. What are you doing?
I am watching TV.
What are you doing?
I am watching TV.
Very good. How many books are there?
There are 5 books.
How many books are there?
There are 5 books.
Very good. When will they arrive?
They will arrive by 7 p.m.
When will they arrive?
They will arrive by 7 p.m.
Very good. Where are you?
I am at home.
Where are you?
I am at home.
Very good. What time is it?
It's 7 o'clock.
What time is it?
It's 7 o'clock.
Very good. Who is he?
He is my father.
Who is he?
He is my father.
Very good. Who is she?
She is my teacher.
Who is she?
She is my teacher.
Very good. What is this?
This is a bus.
What is this?
This is a bus.
Very good. What is this?
This is a house.
What is this?
This is a house.
Very good. Who are they?
They are students.
Who are they?
They are students.
Very good. What is this?
This is a car.
What is this?
This is a car.
Very good. What is this?
This is a motorbike.
What is this?
This is a motorbike.
Very good. What is this?
This is a pen.
What is this?
This is a pen.
Very good. What is this?
This is a bicycle.
What is this?
This is a bicycle.
Very good. What is this?
This is an airplane.
What is this?
This is an airplane.
Very good. What is this?
These are books.
What is this?
These are books.
Very good. What is this?
This is a robot.
What is this?
This is a robot.
Very good. What is this?
This is a train.
What is this?
This is a train.
Very good. What is this?
This is a rocket.
What is this?
This is a rocket.
Very good. What is this?
This is a boat.
What is this?
This is a boat.
Very good. Who is she?
She is my teacher.
Who is she?
She is my teacher.
Very good. Who is he?
He is a doctor.
Who is he?
He is a doctor.
Very good. What is that?
These are mountains.
What is that?
These are mountains.
Very good. What is this?
This is a TV.
What is this?
This is a TV.
Very good. What is this?
This is a school.
What is this?
This is a school.
Very good.
Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. It's time to wake up. It's time to wake up. Comb your hair. Comb Comb your hair. Finish your milk. It's good for your bones. Finish your milk. It's good for your bones. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. Eat your vegetables. They are good for your health. Eat your vegetables. They are good for your health. Please pick up your toys. Please pick up your toys. Don't forget to flush. Don't forget to flush. Here is some candies for you. Here is some candies for you. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. Cover your mouth when you cough. Cover your mouth when you cough. Wear your hat, please. Wear your hat, please. Don't talk with your mouth full. Don't talk with your mouth full. Take a sip. Take a sip. No more talking. No more talking. Play together. Play together. Keep your seatbelt on. Keep your seatbelt on. It's time for your bath. It's time for your bath.
Do you like snow?
Yes, I love it.
Do you like snow?
Yes, I love it.
What did you buy?
I bought some fruits.
What did you buy?
I bought some fruits. Is she your sister?
Yes, she is my sister.
Is she your sister?
Yes, she is my sister. Who is she?
She is my grandma.
Who is she?
She is my grandma.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family. Who is he?
He is my best friend.
Who is he?
He is my best friend. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What happened?
I am sick.
What happened?
I am sick.
Do you like swimming?
Yes, I like swimming.
Do you like swimming?
Yes, I like swimming.
What is it?
It is salad.
What is it?
It is salad.
What is your favorite food?
I love rice.
What is your favorite food?
I love rice. Who am I? You are my teacher. Who am I? You are my teacher.
Where are you going?
We are going to school.
Where are you going?
We are going to school.